good morning, guys. We're back at it. Jamie just picked up a whole bunch of drywall and we're getting ready to put it all up throughout the building. So I'm pretty pumped to get all the drywall up and to make this room start looking like a room. I guess there's not a lot to say, but a lot to do. So let's go ahead and get doing. Oh yeah, I think Thomas.
So bright, it looks so nice.
It does. So we threw up a couple sheets. We're marking the ones to cut right now, and we're gonna try to finish this section first, and then we'll come back to this section where we've got to do more of the cuts and, you know, get around things. I think we're gonna take these fixtures down so we can just finish the drywall, and then maybe we'll just change these fixtures out. I can do something cool lighting right here for Emilio. Just something awesome. So we're gonna keep working on it. I like that thing. Clear. Oh, what do we got? Oh,
Just there, huh? So you gotta go my way?
It's in.
it's in.
Okay. I got
Austin
it.
is measuring and cutting all of them from now on.
I'm just the muscle to pick it up.
You're a pretty good muscle though, dog.
Yeah. Just keep Tom away from a tape measure.
He's just
Gotta get
using a
over.
micrometer. He likes a press fit.
Tom's just
So glad we got
engines,
one
not
by
walls.
I'm so glad we got 1x3s instead of the,
Yeah, 1x2s.
because it just gives you a little more room.
It worked out really good.
I like blowing them off and putting them on that bottom perch. It gets us from not having to beat that bottom in.
That looks great. This is coming out. This is coming out really good. Woo! Already it's just getting brighter and brighter and brighter. It's awesome. Hallelujah. It's awesome. And having the smaller pieces up top is really gonna make it easy to
Just
Get-
get them up there.
get 'em up
and
there, yeah.
Handle them.
I'll hold the like go out so you guys can kind of slide it into the wall first. So you guys can choose what side you
Let's set it down real quick. We'll come back.
Let's see if we
And
have
we'll
to
set
shade
the,
it.
set the bottom up here.
It might be tight at the top.
That's awesome.
And he said that he can extend it out another 6 feet, so we can probably go all four at the same time.
Oh, okay. We just start knocking out the tops now,
Would imagine that would
and we should
get them all cut.
We should do that section too while we got the lift.
Oh, well.
These guys tearing it up. All right, so now they can start fitting the stuff up there. Measuring these out. Tom and I can cut these, and we can try to knock out the rest of this wall. Yee. All right. Just unscrew that bracket.
Got him.
You might unscrew that bracket anyway too, so you can take it all the way down.
As we move down, we
Yeah. Cool.
This one's already off.
Yeah. All right, ready? You're fine. All right, let's go. You guys are jamming. What's Austin got going on up there?
Until it gets to the top.
All right, so this bit of conduit down to that switch panel down there, we're kind of having to figure out what we're doing here.
I think just notch it and then we'll foam it. And we should be, and muddy. Yeah, we'll be all right.
Okay. So we've got a notch started right there. All right. This is our first full section, isn't it?
Here, guys.
Yeah, it is. It's our first full complete section. Woohoo!
Hold on. Keep them there. What do you need, bro? You guys have full.
This looks good, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, looking great. Let's go, boys. Not gonna be the same.
$15 and a half by 41.
And 15 and a half by 42. Put us an inch higher up there.
Do what?
We'll put us an inch higher up there and make it tighter.
Okay.
Got it.
34 3/4.
34 3/4.
Yep.
All right, so we got the drywall all up. Now we're gonna go ahead and get these seams all taped up and get that all done. But man, this room is sure looking sharp. Getting excited. What do you think, Tom?
Almost.
Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, back to taping.
Long cutter.
We use the trowel, the steel trowel, hold it, and it'll rip real easy.
Yeah.
Plastic one doesn't work so well, but
Yep.
Make it happen.
Yep. Scissors.
Guys, we are here and just knocking this out. The mud's going good. So I've got all the seams and all the screws done. Things are just looking awesome. What do you think, Tom?
I'm so happy. It's gonna be really cool.
It is. It's already so bright in here. I know we've said it probably 1,000 times, but it's just
They just don't know
wild
that
how
they're here to
bright it
see.
is. Yeah, from what we've dealt with, this is nice.
Awesome. Look at that, just a quarter of the way done.
Yeah. Yeah, we got still all this side to drywall and do all this too, but we had some more cuts and things we had to get around, and we got to work during the week, so I want to be able to get, you know, tools moved back around. So I'm just finishing this half as of now, and then in the evenings or something we'll work on this and get that all knocked out. Just trying to keep up with it all, keep up with the race cars and shop and everything else. It's awesome. So, all right, I'm gonna give you guys more super satisfying time lapse. Let's go. All right, we got this thing all mudded out. We're gonna call it there for the night. We got a dyno in the morning, so we're gonna have to move this out of the way, but we're rocking. Place is looking good. What do you think, kitty? You like it? No comment. But I'm pretty stoked, man. This is looking good. Can't wait to get it all sanded down, and I think we're gonna leave it smooth, so we're gonna sand it and a couple coats of mud and get it all sweet, and then paint it up. So that's gonna do it for tonight. It's been a long weekend, but we got a lot done, and I'm super pleased with it all. I can't thank those guys enough for all the help. It's been huge. But I'm gonna call it there for the night. Thanks guys for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.